Stop scrolling. Have you ever seen bees suddenly start cleaning each other, almost frantically, after a rainstorm in Sydney? At Bee-Croft Honey, we're seeing this right now. Here's the hidden hive behavior. After urban pesticide drift, especially following rain, our bees ramp up a grooming frenzy. You'll spot worker bees using their legs and jaws to comb through each other's fur, targeting mites, dust, and unseen chemical residues. It looks chaotic, but it's actually a system of hive self-defense. Why so intense? Sydney's urban gardens often use pesticides that, after rain, can drift into foraging zones. Bees instinctively sense these residues and must groom them off quickly to avoid contamination and hive-wide collapse. Here's the wild part. Sometimes, bees will even eject nestmates who can't clean up fast enough. This looks harsh, but it's crucial for survival. Right now, with Sydney's late autumn showers and slowing nectar flow, this behavior is peaking. So next time you spot this, know it's not aggression, it's a vital, coordinated response. This is what we are seeing here in Sydney at Bee-Croft Honey.